acai berry powder today for a skincare product which you can use to make your lips soft and supple and kissable. Now, acai doesn't need to be just used in food recipes, but can also be used as skincare because it is super high in antioxidants and is great for your skin. Now, what you need for this lip scrub is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw sugar. I like to use the raw sugar because I find that it's larger granules, which makes it easier when exfoliating. I'm going to be using a teaspoon of the acai berry powder and about a tablespoon of raw honey. You can also use manuka honey for this recipe. Now what you need to do is just pop it all into a little bowl and then use a spoon to mix it together. You want it to be quite granulated and thick, and then what you're going to do is just going to take a little bit at a time and massage it in circular motions on your lips. Now this just gets rid of any dead skin that may be on your lips. I find it's really good to do before wearing a coloured lipstick because it just gets rid of anything that's on your lips and makes it a nice smooth canvas.